This is a grinding video for Justin. Had a question about grinding out a weld. I've already ground this lobe here and that lobe here, and I just switched the tooling index number here. That will be lining up on that third and welded lobe over here. The index plate keeps all the lobes in firing sequential order. It's kind of tough doing it by one hand, but we'll give her a go. The camera's kind of focusing on some of the water splashes, so I apologize for that. I already know my base circle measurement off of this other lobe, so I'm going to take the welded lobe down to that measurement. Right here is our base circle minimum, right, to put this lobe same size as the other one. And just like that, brand new lobe. If you have any questions or comments, definitely share the video. I absolutely love the shares, and I thank you guys for those.